A spring-like feel in the air. That is one of our weather top stories across the nation as we head through the weekend. This map indicates how the high temperature today will deviate from normal for this time of the year. Now, these blue shaded areas across the east do indicate slightly below average temperatures. Those actually extend from Maine all the way down through South Florida, where the temperature will be about 13 degrees below average. But most areas to the west of that, in those yellow shaded areas, indicate above average temperatures, with the heart of that heat right in the central plains. Those oranger shaded areas indicate where the high temperature today will be between 20 to 30 degrees warmer than average. Along with that warm weather, though, it's a bit dry and windy, especially across portions of Nebraska, Kansas, down through Oklahoma, and that is where we do have some fire weather concerns. If a wildfire were to start in those areas, it would spread very quickly under those high wind. Now, check out what happens to this map as we head into the day tomorrow. That warmer air takes over the east as well. Some of the warmest spots will be across the Ohio River Valley, where the high temperatures will be about 20 degrees warmer than what we would typically expect this time of the year. The cold air for now is still bottled up in Canada. And as an area of low pressure moves across the Canadian border, we'll begin to get a taste of that cooler air throughout the next few days. So it's a fairly short-lived warm-up. Notice how most of that snow, though, does stay north of the international border, but it gets a bit messier, especially into Sunday across the Great Lakes, and then eventually that moisture spreads into the northeast. And cooler air will follow. High temperatures across the nation today, ranging from the 50s in areas around the Great Lakes to the 60s and 70s across the south, with plenty of sunshine, especially across the eastern half of the country.